everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Meg, and today I'm showing you how I got this look using the new Morphe 24G eyeshadow palette. So if you guys haven't seen it yet, I do have a review where I do eye swatches on this palette, so be sure to check it out. This is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. So first on my eyes, I went with Creamer. It's just a neutral transition shade. And then I decided to go into Spiffy and put that into the crease. And I really want this look to be like blown out. So like I'm really like over blending and blending this out far up to close to my brow bone. And I'm also going to exaggerate the blending on the lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and blend with that. And then I also decided to take the color Brassy and add that into the crease as well. The color that I was most intrigued by and inspired to use is Glitz, like the pinky red color. I think that it's beautiful. So I'm gonna go crazy with blending this all over my crease and blending it really high up. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of Mooch to add a little more darkness and depth into the crease. Into the lower lash line to really try to get some more definition to the lower line, I'm taking a mixture of Brew and Brownie. I started to do a lazy carve out with the cut crease with Creamer, but I wasn't happy with it. It was almost too dark, so then I just decided to go straight into glazed. So this palette isn't giving me everything that I want, so now I'm reaching into the Daydream palette by Kristen Leanne and Urban Decay, and what I'm going to do is take this same flat brush. This is a Morphe M432, and I'm taking the color 8, which is this burgundy color, the darkest color in the palette. And then I'm also gonna be grabbing Lucy, which is this matte white. But I'm basically taking 8 and I'm really gonna pack this into my lashes. I really wanna have a defined lash line. And I wanted to be able to do this without using a black shadow. So now I'm just gonna go back with this pencil brush to blend the edge of that. And then I obviously like to make sure I connect the lower lash line to the crease area. And I don't know what's going on this side, why it looks like there's a blob right there, but I'm gonna try to fix it. So now I'm just gonna take an angled brush and Lucy, that matte white, and I'm gonna kind of bring this down a little bit onto the crease to tone it down just a little smidgen and to kind of reshape that area. All right, so I don't understand what's going on with my right eye, but I'm gonna see if I can try to fix it off camera, and I'll be right back. So there's really no fixing it, so that's okay. But I wanted this to be a little bit more intense, so I'm just gonna dip into my Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow in Diamond Dust, and I'm just gonna use this and just do the inner part, so kind of like a half cut crease. See, it takes no time to apply, and then you just want to make sure you don't look up until it's dry, or else it will transfer, but once it's dry, it stays in place, and that's why I love this product. Super intense glitter in 20 seconds. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I just put some mascara on. I've been so into natural lashes lately. And for my lips, I just used my nude stick pencil in Whisper. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial with me using the Morphe 24G palette. I will be using it more, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on more looks from me. All right, you guys, so give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below with what your eyeshadow obsession is. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.